Hey BDU, it's old Big Sid. It's cold as shit out here. This is the big snowstorm of December of 2010. I figured I'd show y'all some pictures and shit. Um, since not all y'all live near where I live, you see some of the still a lot of snow up in the trees, a lot of snow on the ground. Uh, the shit's about a foot to 16 inches deep in some places. I lost a few trees and shit. You can probably see the damn snow still in the trees. Sounds like they must be hunting today because I can hear them running the dogs. This thing won't let me zoom when I'm filming. But anyway, there's a big old, I believe it's a big old oak tree across the street, two of them, and they both still holding plenty of snow. So I figured I'd just give you a little tour of the snow. The sun's getting ready to go down. I don't know if you can make it out. It just damn near went over the horizon. But it's done snowed his ass off. My old bench, and can't even see the fire pit out there. That damn thing almost buried. Still a lot of snow in this old beech tree. Yeah, this tree, the tree got hit by lightning about 15 years ago, and it blew half the damn tree from the top to the bottom. It blew about a third of it away, and it's still hanging on. Don't know for how long, but it's still hanging on. So, but anyway, you probably maybe you see how damn deep it is. I mean, see here. That's like some tire tracks, but they're partially covered back up. Try to walk without busting my ass here. We got our lawn chairs that are, I guess they're like patio chairs, covered nice. Yeah, let's see here. Looks like something fell in this one. What the hell? What the hell is this? I don't believe it. I know it was snowing. It was snowing. It was snowing. But they weren't calling for 40s. It's a 40, y'all. Look, I am living the high life. It's amazing. A frosty, cold, 40-ounce Miller High Life. Ain't that some shit? Let me see if I can crack this bitch open. Let's see here. Try to do this with one hand, which is hard to do. Let me see. Let me see if I can put this camera on something that'll. Let's see here. I got a gorilla pot. I'm gonna set her right down there. And let's see here. I know this damn movie's gonna be shaky as hell. Let's see here. Wrap this thing. Let's see. Hopefully this will be able to catch it. I hope. Let's see here. Yeah, it looks alright. Let's see. Let me back up a little bit. Y'all might be able to see me. Let me adjust this thing here. Yeah, I heard it was supposed to snow, but I didn't think it was supposed to snow beer. So anyway, let me wipe the snow off this thing here, and let's crack her open, shall we? Oh yeah, oh yeah. Good shit. Damn, that's good. Oh, highlight. Yeah, I'm about to freeze out here. It's cold as a bitch. And this damn beer is cold as a motherfucker too. It reminds me of something. I'm gonna try to make a New Year's resolution early to stop using so much fucked up language. Stop saying fucked up curse words and shit like that. Yeah. Yeah, shit like that. I'm trying to stop saying shit, damn, fuck, motherfucker, cocksucker. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try. Ah, tell you what, it was a damn fine beer. I hope y'all will be able to see me. I hope I ain't too far out and hope I ain't too close to the camera. But anyway, it is what it is. I don't have but one shot to make it. Well, actually, I got 12 40s, but I'm going to take the video, and if it does all right, fine. If it don't, fuck it. I mean, fudge it. Yeah. Yes, sir. Ice fucking cold. Yeah, we got a lot of snow. This has been the biggest snowstorm since, I think they said this is the third worst storm for this area in the whole time that they've been, uh, I guess, keeping records. So it's been something. I can't even remember it snowed this deep, except when I was a little kid. I was in first grade, probably back in 1980, 1981, somewhere along in there, and it was a hellacious snowstorm. I remember it was pretty bad. I had fun, as a kid, man. You want to get out in it, 'cause you ain't got to go to work. You ain't got to do nothing but have a good time. But you know, you get older, you got to get out in this shit. I mean, stuff. Give a shout out to everybody. Um, watched video Cowboy did. I guess it's been about a week now, but I'm gonna piggyback on what he said. The BDU ain't dead. Some of y'all think it's dead. BDU ain't dead. Um, the BDU's far from dead. So I like to see, some of the members, make some more damn videos. You ain't got to make one every week or make one once a month or something. You know, I don't make them as much as I used to, but just do what you can. Do what you can. Just That's what it's all about. Cowboys got a lot more responsibility. A new one got a little one around, just like I do. And you know, you can't always make a damn movie when you want to. You know, you got other shit that comes first. So you got to do priorities. You know, we all like this damn cold beer, um, but you know, time and place for everything. So, and I also like to say that glad to see the Cowboy and Brother Man show back. um, I miss that show, man. Y'all had some funny shit. So I hope you plan on, you know, keeping up with it. Cowboy and Brother Man show. Let me call out some people. Um, Trout Killer, my big-headed brother from the northern part of the state. I want to see you do a video, drink a 40 or 2 or a 12 ounce or whatever, just drink something. I like to see you do a damn video. Man, I tell you, it's tougher to drink these damn things when it's cold. I mean, I like beer cold, but I like to be on the inside where it's nice and toasty. And it's cold as shit out here. Damn wind chill is I think they said like 21 or something. So hopefully I'll finish this motherfucker before I get frostbite. But anyway, I don't even know how long I've been filming. Shit, hopefully it ain't over 15 minutes. But anyway, you know, for the BDU members, some of y'all that left, I'd like for you to come back. Uh, you know, BDU 2011, you know, gonna be a whole lot different than it was in 2010. You know, we just ain't in for no bullshit. You know, we just good people, like drink whatever kind of beer we want, and make a video. You know, ain't in for the drama or the fucking trolls and bullshit. Ain't in for that shit. So I'm looking for the real deal, old school. So if you think you can handle it, y'all step up to the plate. When you make your videos, just put BDU, Beer Drinkers United, in the tags. I hadn't seen the groups page. I think the group page is gone for for YouTube. I hadn't seen it unless my damn computer's fucked up. I hadn't seen group page on several people's page. So when you make videos, you know, just make BDU video and just put BDU, and then beside that put Beer Drinkers United in the damn search tag, and that's all you got to do. I'm gonna finish this sumbitch and call it a day. Good to the last drop. Well, I'm gonna carry my happy ass in. Shout out to everybody. Much love. And this old country boy gonna carry his ass inside before I fall. Later, y'all.